Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: an active ZoomInfo Sales seat and CRM integration so data flows. Next, link your Google or Outlook account and enable the Salesforce or HubSpot connector. This prevents duplicate work. Open the Search tab and apply target filters like region, industry, employee range, and precise titles. This first focus search step quickly yields qualified contacts, so you can prioritize outreach. Once you have results, make sure to save the search and create a list before moving on. Once you have a saved search, you use intent and scoops to highlight companies actively researching your space. That prioritizes outreach. Enrich each lead by selecting contact details, direct dial, verified email, title, and company technographics, so your messaging is personalized and timely. Then segment and tag leads into meaningful lists. Create smart lists for follow-up cadence. Finally, push enriched records to your CRM or export CSV using the workflow rules, which keep sales steps automated. You now build outreach. Design sequences mixing emails, calls, and tasks, and use dynamic fields to personalize at scale. Launch campaigns to your segmented lists and then monitor analytics, opens, replies, meeting conversions, to iterate messaging. Make sure to log activities and set reminders for follow-up. If records fail to sync or data looks wrong, reauthorize the CRM connector first, then verify field mapping and duplicate rules. If issues persist, contact your admin for API token checks, so you restore normal sync without losing leads.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.